How to recover permanently deleted files on Google Drive. If you want to recover permanently deleted files on Google Drive, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and search for Google Drive file recovery request. After that, you need to go with delete and restore files in your Google Drive, or just simply go with recover a deleted file in your Google Drive. Go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then scroll down a bit, go with desktop site. Once here, you need to scroll down, and then here you will find an option of Android, computer, iPhone, and iPad. You can go with your Android if you're using your Android, or you can go with your computer. Once you've selected, it will give you a solution. Or if that doesn't work, then on the bottom, you will find request file recovery. You need to tap on request file recovery and sign in with the same account that you have deleted your files from on your Google Drive. After that, it will take you to fill up a form section. You need to fill up a form, enter your first and last name, then go and fill the form. After filling your form, you need to go with continue and then go with submit. Your email will be sent and you will receive all of your permanently deleted files on your drive. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.